Today, we will talk about how to restore a leather couch. Let's have a look at the details. Leather couches make for very durable and fashionable additions to almost any home. However, over time the leather on your couch might become dirty, stained, damaged, or worn to the point of discoloration. Wipe it down with a simple cleaning solution. Try some home remedies to get rid of stains, patch up holes, and fix the color of your leather to completely restore your leather couch. The first method is cleaning your leather couch. Vacuum the couch to remove any dust or debris. Attach a brush or bristle end to your vacuum cleaner and turn it on. Run the vacuum over the entire surface of your couch, getting in between any crevices and cracks around the cushions or armrests to make sure the couch is free of debris. Make a cleaning solution of diluted white vinegar. While there are different leather cleaning solutions available for purchase, one of the easiest and most effective leather cleaners is diluted white vinegar. Dampen a microfiber cloth in your cleaning solution. A clean, dry microfiber cloth will be soft enough on the leather to avoid scratching it. Dip your microfiber cloth in the cleaning solution, wringing out the excess back into the bowl. Wipe down the couch in small, circular motions. Start at one of the top corners of your leather couch and begin working across the surface. Dry the couch with a clean towel. Once you've cleaned the surface of the couch, use a clean and dry towel to dab away any noticeable or excess cleaning solution. Wipe down the couch all over to dry it off and prevent the moisture from seeping into the leather. The second method is getting rid of difficult stains. Clean mold and mildew with diluted rubbing alcohol. Mold and mildew can build up on leather if it stays too damp for too long. Remove pen marks with hairspray or eucalyptus oil. If you do a lot of writing or other work on your couch, a mark from a dropped pen is almost inevitable. Use baking soda to fix greasy marks or stains. Greasy stains can ruin the look and feel of your leather couch. Try covering the affected, greasy area with a light sprinkling of baking soda. Leave it to sit for 3 to 4 hours before wiping it away with a clean cloth. Try lemon juice and cream of tartar to treat dark stains on light leather. If your leather couch is made of white or tan leather, dark stains may be more noticeable. The third method is patching up holes and tears. Fix tears smaller than 2.5 centimeters with superglue. Start with a rounded sub-patch for larger holes and tears. A sub-patch, made of leather, suede, or something similar, sits behind the tear to hold the material together. Use a pair of tweezers to position the patch behind the hole. Glue the sub-patch to the leather and wipe away any excess. Seal the tear and weigh it down while the glue dries. Line the patched area with a little super glue. Once your tear has been sealed with the leather glue, super glue can be used to fix the look of the leather and keep the fix strong. Sand in the direction of the tear with fine grit sandpaper. And the fourth method is refinishing worn leather. Lay down the newspaper to avoid making a mess. Place a drop cloth down underneath the couch, or cover the surrounding area with old newspapers. Apply a leather repair compound to the worn areas. Let the repair compound dry and apply another coat. Leave your repair compound to air dry for over 30 minutes to an hour. Once it's dry, use the same sponge to apply another coat or the binder. Purchase a leather colorant that matches the color of your couch. Applying the wrong shade of leather colorant will make your couch look patchy and slightly off. Rub a thin coat of leather colorant into the couch. Leave the surface to dry before applying more coats. Use a leather conditioner to keep the couch soft and shiny. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel if you like our videos.